24 days without an accident? This place is more dangerous than a fruitcake factory.
Bernie, can you go just one Christmas without causing an accident?
Don't worry about me. Well, I'm gonna not even stub a toe. I'm gonna just work on my new and improved invention. Where'd you come from?
Is this the present plucker 3.0?
Yeah.
The same present plucker 3.0 that's supposed to take any of Santa's presents and put them back into his bag?
Yeah.
And does it work?
I'd start working on version 4.0. Oh, yeah? Well, you just go finish the lights.
I'm already done with them. All I gotta do is plug them in and grab myself a snack. Want anything?
Oh, yeah. I want a jelly donut with sprinkles on top.
What's written on this plug?
Donut plug. Ooh, fresh donuts, Christmas miracles, and a socket. Doesn't smell like fresh donuts. Smells like burnt turkey. Do not plug. That makes much more sense. Ah, Bernie, you just cost us another record. When you work on things, make sure you unplug it.
Told you so.
I'm so sorry. I'm late. No time to explain.
It's okay. This happens all the time.
Cheap! Bernie! Where are you? Cheap! Bernie! Breaking news, fellas!
If this has to do with the scratch on Santa's sleigh, we definitely didn't take it out for pizza last night.
Dude, you totally scooped me up last night in that sleigh right before you, slammed into that parked car. Totally gnarly wipeout, bro.
Today's headline: North Pole hit by holiday cutbacks. Santa trims more than just the trees.
Kent, what does that mean?
The rumor is every department's losing 2 people.
Oh, well, that's not so bad.
What? There's only 2 people in this department.
Are you saying that Santa's workshop of experimental advanced technologies,
SWET for short,
is going to be shut down?
Yes, that's what it sounds like.
But throw another butt in there for me. This is an outrage. We are the backbone of the North Pole. When Santa has a problem, who does he go to?
The head elf?
Yeah, but the head elf is busy. He comes to us.
Wait a minute. Why don't we ask Santa Claus to come see one of our inventions?
Just one? When Santa's reindeer run out of gas, enter the Jet Sleigh 2000. Santa's very own jetpack taking him from rooftop to rooftop, delivering presents to all the good boys and girls. Are you ready, Bernie?
Yeah, why not? I just renewed my insurance.
You know, that was a very good idea.
You got this, Bernie. Go, Chip and Bernie. You can do it.
Hey, it's really working.
Of course it is, but the real question is it working fast enough for Santa? Let's introduce you to Nitro Boost.
Can we maybe wait and do this later?
We could, but did the Wright brothers wait before flying off that cliff? I don't know the answer either, but we're not gonna.
Oh, help me!
Solid as a snowman.
Impressive.
No matter how hard the wind blows, Santa will not fall off the roof as long as he's wearing his new boots, the Frosty Stoppers. Even in a hailstorm. And even a good old whack with a bat.
I don't think I need to see this.
Oh, neither do I.
Never even moved.
This is great. Let's go show Santa.
There's only one little problem. Say hello to the Rap-O-Matic 5000.
Hello.
I've been working on this machine for years and I just recently perfected it. Now Bernie will be placing an unwrapped Christmas present into the machine. Be prepared to be amazed. Ta-da!
This is amazing! Can it handle larger presents?
Of course. Bernie, put in a larger present.
Yeah, I didn't bring a larger present.
That's no problem. You go in there.
What? No, I'm not going in there.
A little Christmas cheer never hurt anybody.
I never signed up for that kind of Christmas cheer. Okay, here goes nothing.
Oh no! Don't worry, Bernie. I got you.
Uncle! Did it work?
Nope, you broke it, Bernie.
Straight from Santa himself. His words, never, ever open it.
If that's Santa's laundry, Bernie's gonna get those stains out guaranteed.
Now, Chip, never, ever. End of story. Don't open it.
You got it, Kent. We won't even touch it.
I'm off to interview Santa and sneak in a headline about you two. Good luck.
If we can keep this place clean, maybe Santa will let us keep our jobs.
I hope so. The Easter Bunny's on a hiring freeze.
Oh, you know, if I could get that present plucker 3.0 to work, but I can't figure out the shamanicals about it. Oh, do you have a trash can?
Ah, we left it in the lab. I'll go grab it.
Okay. That'll work.
Bernie, what did you do?
The real question is, what came out of that bag?
Every man for himself.
What in Frosty's name is going on in there? Every time I turn around, those two are up to something.
Oh, this is as bad as when we released our Christmas album.
Yeah, the world wasn't ready for a K-pop elf band.
If we just could get these presents and put them back in the bag.
Yeah. I got an idea. The present plucker 3.0.
Yes! We can pick it up, throw it at them, knock them out, and then put them back in the bag.
Or we can work together, fix it, use it on the presents, get them back in the bag, and prove to Santa to keep Sweat open.
That's brilliant!
I know. Let's do this.
One last time, together. Hey, be careful. Don't hurt them.
Relax. The worst that will happen, they get a little dizzy.
Huh? Let us down! Come on, I'm still hungry.
Well, that's enough mischief for one day.
Now that's what I call teamwork.
And it shows that the impossible can be achieved if you work together.
Put it there, pal.
Oh, look at that mess. Can't. Oh, can't. Can't.
Ooh, sorry again.
Don't even mention it. You missed me. Oh, crap. Oh, I landed on my keys. Oh.
Bernie, this might be our last Christmas together.
Oh boy, I have great news. What happened here?
It's a long story.
Yeah, but what's the great news? The Jelly of the Month Club?
The great news is your department is safe.
Yes! Oh, that is great news.
Breaking bulletin, Santa's not firing anyone. In fact, he's doubling the chaos. 2 new hires hot off the naughty list. Meet your new co-workers, Mel and Carl.
We brought donuts. Sorry, Chip and Birdie.
Why are you?
Now, Chip, breathe. We're all on the same team now. They brought donuts.
Welcome to the team.
What flavor is it?
Eggnog and anchovy swirl.
Burger fruit type.
Merry Christmas to my favorite department. Ho, 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 ho.
I guess this wasn't the year to break our accident-free record.
Well, there's always next year. Merry Christmas, Chip.
Merry Christmas, Bertie.
Final headline. Despite sparks, smoke, and 2 near funerals, Chip and Bernie survived Christmas once again. Yay!
Well, at least nothing else could go wrong.
Well, that's true. Nothing else could. That was my toe.
What was it doing underneath my shoe?
Chip.
Murena Entertainment.